For today, we're going to unbox the Ray-Ban Meta Blayzer Optic Gen 2. This just come out recently and it is designed more for you to change the lens. And it's called the Blayzer Optic Gen 2. So we will unbox it today and then we will pair it with the uh, apps. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, it comes with a new color, pretty nice color. And then when you unbox this, normally you have to pull this because the 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 connector is not connected. Now we will this and this. This is nicer than the Wayfarer. It's smaller, slimmer. And then what comes with it? It comes with the interchangeable nose pad. Okay, this is the tool to replace the nose pad. And then there is a high bridge fit, low bridge fit. Okay, you could change the notepad. And here is also okay. Comes with the cloth and okay. Get started instruction. Charge using USB-C. Check the battery level and where the power switches, notification light, capture button. So these are all the instruction. This is my fifth glasses already. So let's try to put this on. Let's try to turn this on first. Okay, so there's a change. Before the switch is here. Now there's a change in the switch, so I guess I have to get back and look at the manual. A is the power switch, B is the light, C is the camera, D is the speaker, E is the capture light, F is the capture button, G, so this is two function. Okay, this is two function. And then H is the touchpad. Okay, L is the nose pad. Okay, so let's turn this on. Okay, let's turn this on. So I'm going to connect it to the battery and see it's charging and preparing to pair. And then let's go to the apps and look for the Meta Optics. Okay. Okay, blue already. It find it, connect, pairing, let's pair it. It's paired. Okay, now let's continue. Enable voice control, store voice setting, share data, download update. So there's an update that it's downloading. But let's wait for it. Okay. Then we will install it. Okay. Now I have to put on the glass. Put on the glasses. And then I'm going to, okay, say press capture once. Okay. Start recording, press. Okay. You could see the light. It's recording. To stop recording, press once. Stop recording already. Then the touchpad is here. Okay, I hear music already. Let me increase the volume. Yeah. Okay. Swipe forward. Down. Down. Up. Okay. Pause. Music pause. And then you can assign the action button here. So this one at the back, you can assign. Replay, you can assign it. This one, you can assign it. Okay, next. I guess that's all. You need to tour? No. And then skip the tour. No. So what else? Done already. Yes, skip. And then you could do this already. Connect to music apps. I have already connected. Okay. Let's connect to Spotify. Now I'm going to record this already. No need of you looking at me. So we will shut this down. So as you can see, when you connect this, it will show you it's charging. The glasses is charging 94%. The case is 13%. And there are two videos which we took earlier. These are some of my video from other, because I have the Blayzer, and then this is the new one. I have the Vanguard Oakley. When I bike, I use it. The Headliner, the Wayfarer. Okay, so those are the glasses that I have. Okay, so I guess that's all for now. I'm going to unbox the Ray-Ban Meta display. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.